much more do you need out of that?
I need the length of the bolt. It's still on there, even without that in there. So on the Starlet, it's got a main rattle. I'll play it now. It's rattling when it's idling. So this was my engine mount setup. So solid bolt straight through, not a thing bush to keep everything from touching. Mikey found these at work. So this effectively, by my reckoning, is a bolt out each way with the rubber holding it together. So in theory, that should stop the absorption. So Paul decided to come down for the night. We thought we were going to swap these for these. So let's go and see how that goes. This video is brought to you by us, Gumboot Rally. Want to see roads you didn't know existed? Like meeting people, having fun? Join the largest automotive themed scavenger hunt in New Zealand. Join our next adventure and see what you've been missing out. gumbootrally.com, book now. Back to the video. Cool. So my thoughts are that if we get it like this, that'll be enough.
Just a little way to go.
Yeah.
The good old biz line.
Yeah.
You much we just need a couple cranks on it.
So this one is the one that we discovered is hand tight. There you go. No tools required. Woohoo!
That was the easy bit.
Yeah. Has it got weight on it? See, it's still on there, even without that in there. And it's got to be like a 19. You reckon?
Oh, you can put this camera here.
Oh no, right. I can make this job way easier.
You could grab the Milwaukee and just, you know?
Stop being a retard and just do the job once.
It's one of the tools on my list that I want.
Is it?
Yeah. But the Ryobis are much bigger because they're 80 rollers. Yep.
Yeah, one the Gumboot really in there.
Yeah. I have no idea where that nut went, bro. Oh yeah, I see it. It's right down in the support under the filter.
Can you grab it?
Yep. I was playing with the long fingers.
So that's both bolts out. So in theory, if I jack this up, you should see movement, right? Car's moving.
Whole thing's lifting.
Yeah.
Just go one more. It could be the seal on the rubber. Stop there. Yeah, the car's lifted heaps, eh?
Yeah.
It could be quite a strong seal between the rubber and the mount.
Won't be in there for so long.
Yeah. It could just require like a jimmy bar or a good flathead screwdriver.
Well, that's what I thought. What if we get a mallet and a jimmy bar is probably better actually, you're right.
Yeah, or a big flathead like you've got.
Yeah, grab that as well.
It might just need a little bit of pry or gentle persuasion with the mallet.
That moved, I think. What's that one like?
It looks pretty squashed to me, so
Yeah, it looks
you know.
real squashed.
It might just require a bit of love, and then all of a sudden, yeah, that ain't moving at all, eh?
No.
No. Alright. I think, yeah, you need to like try and either push it over,
Yeah.
if you can get enough, or you
Delivery.
need to try and get in between. That's what I was looking at.
Look,
like
that moved.
Oh yeah. Let me get in there. Yeah. There you go. It needs to come up a bit more. Yeah. See that drop down a bit?
Yeah, it's got a bit more. Where's the... There it is.
Yeah, that's pretty squashed, eh? For such a hard piece. Look at the imprint in there.
I don't know. Is it, so I think we need to jack it up higher, eh?
Yep, that's
Yeah.
it. Yep, perfect. Look at that.
Let's try the easy side. That's not the answer. First let's try the hard side.
Just a little bit of lubrication on that side.
Eh?
A little bit of lube.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, no, that's normal for a Toyota.
Just it's what is it, horsepower sweep?
Yeah.
So this is gonna go in there, which is gonna be a bit more difficult. It's not as tight as one would want.
Is that on the mount on the engine?
Yeah. 14. It's not ideal, is it? In fact, no, let's take it off.
Yeah. Put some Loctite on
I
it.
put the bolt through. No, I was thinking put the thing through it. It's going to be a prick to get it through.
Oh yeah, that's a good point because the other side's slotted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's actually take
And then when you put it back on, put some Loctite on it.
Yeah.
And then it won't come undone.
That's a good plan. Just 12 on it.
Yeah. I hope so.
Makes it more confident with it the right way. Oh, and then that one's falling. That's awesome.
Wouldn't be a Toyota without different size fucking bolts in it, eh?
Especially an old Toyota.
Yeah. That would have been a whatever you had in the fucking plastic box over there, bro.
Oh, yeah. Or whatever fit the hole.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's all good. No threading at all.
Sweet. It's just tight.
Yeah, it's just not happy. No.
Oh, I see a hole.
Can you?
I think so.
Well, then it's with something in
It
it.
just needs to rotate a little bit towards the front.
Maybe that's why. Put that down and see if it'll show
Yeah,
you.
that looks like a 10 mil to me.
Put
Eh?
that down and see if it'll show you if it'll line up. You see that angle?
Yeah, there's a hole there. Yeah, 10 mil. Just grind it.
Oh, I've got one here that's a lot shorter. Okay, that's
Feeling better?
it's not too short.
A little bit of you're not going to come off anytime soon on there. Now this one definitely wants a washer, so I think we're going to employ this big fucker here
Cool.
because it's slotted.
I don't want to do that much tighter. Yeah, that's good. Oh.
And that's that one ready to be lowered onto before tightening up. I would assume would be a good procedure, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I reckon we do the other side
Yeah.
to similar state first.
Yeah. Put on there on the bottom.
Yeah,
Could do that on both sides.
yeah, because then it's uniform.
Yeah, I'll change over the other one.
This might be a matter of.
Yeah. Is it going to be easier to whip the mount off first, or are we just going to try and give it a manhandle?
Try and manhandle it. No, it's not a shit show.
Not enough space.
No,
Mount off again, eh?
Yeah, but the mount off on this side's.
Okay, so we just need to manhandle it a bit more. Then we just take this off so there's a bit more workability.
Yeah, we push it over that side. Here I was thinking that side's the hard side. Because there's stuff in the way.
Well, it's still only going to lean onto that side, but you know, we can still.
Can we jack it up anymore? Because that might save us. Okay.
How much more do you need out of that?
Well,
A heap more?
I need the length of the bolt.
Okay. More?
Yep. Now we're
Now
filling
we're
in.
just
Now we're just going to get that. Oh, that's so close.
No.
It's like
It's
it
like
was
hitting something
on the lip.
I think I'm hitting the regulator or something.
We were just there though.
Okay.
If we can try it once more, I reckon we're on. It's going to save us lots of time.
Or I'll break your strut. 1, 2, 3. Nah.
That's him.
Oh yeah, with a gentle persuasion while lifting. There you go. You persuade it while I lift. Just don't persuade me.
That's persuading the bottom. It's looking good. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Yeah. That saved us so much time.
Oh yeah.
Can you lower the engine slightly?
I can handle that, General.
While my hands are not in there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we want
that the round washer will go on there. We'll just use this bit out.
Yeah, oh, it doesn't matter.
You're all put on there, are you?
Yeah.
Lower it down before you do it up, just so that it can sit in
its
its right,
so that where it lives.
so where it wants to be.
Nice, man.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Wow, we put a lot on that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Thanks, I look. Nice. They shouldn't be connected.
Try and get in there and do it up.
Oh, I see.
Because you can't.
No, you can tighten that now. And do this side. Yeah, it's funny, one of the little idiosyncrasies with this is the oil filter. When I go to buy it, they're like, what car is it for? And I'm like, oh, okay. But here's the rego. No, that's the wrong oil filter. I'm like, no, it's not. And they're like, yeah, no, you need this one. I'm like, no, that one's too long. Oh, what'd you do?
Just found the back of your alternator, that's all.
Oh, I thought that was your knuckles.
No, I'm just using the wrong tool for the job.
Just trying to burn the house down.
Yeah. Just checking that your battery charger's working.
Yeah. That's all.
I'm going to talk it up to about good luck getting it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the sort of tension I'm hoping for.
Yeah, this one's just as equally awkward as mine.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, both sides aren't much fun to get into.
Oh, I think you've done that quite nicely.
Good start. Not a good start.
We are empty.
Okay. What I'm really liking is that the motor's moving. And other things aren't. I think this was a very good move. I think this has made my car a whole lot more quick car.